Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Sing with me.
Hi everyone, how are you today? I am Mr. Foxy. I am happy with you to present our new program about sunrise one with alphabet letters. Let us start. Hi children, are you fine? Good, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dania. At Clever School, I'm happy with you.
Hi, my name is Akam. I'm in Clever School. I love my school.
Hello, I'm Azan at Clever School. I love my lesson. Hi, my name is Joji. I'm grade 1.
Hi, my name is Kais. I am grade 1.
Hi, I am Habib at grade 1. Hi, my name is Frost. I am grade 1.
Hi, my name is Aji. I am grade 1. Thank you for all of you. Good job. Awesome. Shall we start?
Sunrise 1. Text copyright Judy West, 2006. Recording copyright Macmillan Education, a division of Macmillan Publishing Limited, 2006.
Students' Book, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Look and listen. Hello? Hello?
Hello, Naza.
Hello, Foxy. Students' Book, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Listen and clap.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Students' Book, Unit 1, Lesson 3. Listen and sing.
Hello, hello. Let's sing hello, hello. Hello, hello. Let's sing hello, Students' Book, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Hello, Azad.
Hello, Naza.
Come here, Azad. Listen.
Whoa!
Look, it's Foxy.
Students' Book, Unit 2, Lesson 3. Listen and say.
Look, listen, look, listen, look, listen and say hello. Hello, Naza. Hello, Azad. Hello, Foxy.
Students' Book, Unit 3, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Hello, Naza. Hello, Azad.
Hello, Foxy.
Sit down, Azad. Sit down, Naza. Look.
Very good, Foxy.
Students' Book, Unit 3, Lesson 1. Listen and clap.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Students' Book, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Listen, play and sing.
Stand up. Sit down. Hello, hello. Stand up. Sit down. Hello. Stand up. Sit down. Hello, hello. Stand up. Sit down. Hello.
Let us tell you about our book. It is Sunrise 1. Please pay attention, be careful. Open your book, page 14.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Hello, Max.
Hello, Foxy.
Look, Max. An apple. Oh.
Oh, yes, an apple. Thank you, Foxy.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Listen and clap.
A, a, a.
Apple,
A, a, a.
apple,
A, a, a.
apple,
A, a, a.
apple.
Here comes the letter A. A is for apple, apple. A is for ant, ant. A is for animal, animal. A is for armchair, armchair. A is for alligator, alligator. A is for air, air. A is for answer, answer. A is for aunt, aunt. A is for angel, angel. A is for autumn, autumn. A is for always, always. A is for arrow, arrow.
Let's open the box and let's check it. It is small letter A and it is capital letter A. Now we have apple. 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 Now we have ambulance. 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 We have alligator. 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 We have ant. 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 I will show you a video how to write a letter.
Hi kids! Welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter A. A as an alligator. First let's learn uppercase or big A. To write uppercase A, we'll start at the top. Then we'll go down like this. Then go back to the top and go down again the other way. Lastly, we'll go to the middle and go straight across. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and then go down. Go back to the top and then go down the other way. Then we'll go to the middle and go straight across. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now let's do lowercase a. For lowercase a, we'll start in the middle. and go around in a circle. Then we'll go down. Let's do that again. We'll start in the middle and go around in a circle. Then we draw a line down. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter A.
We have competition between Group A and Group B. If you know, I will give you points. You can make a letter and find A. Very good. Where's A? The second alphabet activity, the box alphabet activity.
What is it? A small. What is it? Animal. And what is it? Ambulance. What is it? Elevator.
The third alphabet activity is color alphabet activity. Please all of you color letters.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E.
The fourth alphabet activity is touch alphabet activity. You can find a letter.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Q, R, S, T, U, V.
W, X, Y.
The fifth alphabet activity is touch alphabet activity by foot. You can find a letter. Today we learned a letter. I hope this program will be useful for you. See you next time. Goodbye.